Okay, good morning everyone. Here's the project we have going on for today. We've got 2 packages of the wide mouth quart canning jars here I just purchased last night. I ordered some more online. They'll be here on Tuesday, I believe. But I wanted something quick that I could go ahead and get started. We've got a lot of cucumbers that are ready to be harvested from the garden, and Presley and I are going to be making pickles. So really quick though, before we do a pickling video, I wanted to show you guys how I actually open my packages of canning jars. This might be, what you're wanting to do. Just rip it open and throw away the plastic packaging. But I want to show you something that's a little bit better. If you come through here either with a razor knife, which I usually use, but I couldn't find one this morning, or with your scissors, just cut around the top of the box like this. Scissors, that's right, Brody. This is just a little trick that I've always done, and I really, really like it. We'll see why in just a moment. This is much easier with a razor knife if you happen to have one easily accessible. Okay. All right, baby Chewy. Just take that plastic off. Now what you've got here is the package still over your box, so it'll stay nice and neat. And if there's any spills or anything liquid, it's going to get all over the place. So now I've got to get these jars open and washed and sterilized. And well, now this one doesn't have plastic on it, so we'll have to make do. But anyways, it just makes things a little bit nicer. Try that out next time you guys do your canning projects. Brayden, shh. Also, I've just ordered my actual vlogging equipment, new camera, tripod, everything coming in. So in the next week or so, we'll get an actual professional video up. So thank you guys for joining. To everyone new who's joined, I think we have a total of 10 or 11 subscribers now. Yay! Say bye, Chewy. Bye, Chewy.